Hello friends, I'm Dr. Sona Kaushal, a neuropsychologist, and today I'm going to talk to you about a very important child, a case who had come to me for counseling. This was the study of an 18-year-old boy, and his mother had brought him to me for counseling because she felt that he is becoming very quiet day by day, and she felt that he had some sort of anxiety issues. He was staying in a hostel and he was appearing for his 12th board exams this year. The child wanted to speak to me alone, so the mother just left him so that I could talk to him and understand what his problem was. This boy told me a story of his childhood, and he said that as a child, when he was in his nursery and his first and second class, there were boys of his class or maybe a bit senior to him who bullied him and who sexually had sexual, interactions with him. And then he said that he started to enjoy these interactions and they indulged in such sexual activities in their first, second, third standard, more and more and more. Now, today, he said gradually as he was then growing up, he got addicted to these sites on social media which showed him these sort of stories, the porn sites or the blue film sites. This college where he is studying in does not have mobile phones or internet connections, but he said that boys are boys and they have ways of bringing in mobiles into the hostel, and they were all enjoying and indulging in they were all enjoying and seeing these porn sites, and he was saying that he feels he's getting addicted to it. So he had come to me with an expression, with a story, with a feeling of guilt, and that guilt was making him anxious and depressed, and he felt that he was doing something bad. He needed a lot of counseling, and he has been called for repeated counseling sessions with me, and he did not also want me to speak to his mother about this. Keeping this in mind, I had to assure the mother that the child is in safe hands and he needs counseling sessions, and they should just be supportive to him and not criticize him or be judgmental or be angry with him when he is angry, because he is facing some psychological issues, I told her. Now what happened is, this boy who had indulged in these sexual activities as a child, he told me that he was getting a lot of self-pleasure in that. I want to tell you that children do indulge in such activities in their growing up years, and they do explore the sex. As a child grows up physically, mentally and sexually also, he has these sexual urges and he starts playing with these things with his own sexual parts or maybe with friends. It's a normal activity in many cases, but this becomes abnormal when he indulges in them overtly, and he does a lot of pressurizing and his friends into such activities. So parents should be aware of such things. This boy who had come to me for counseling further told me that he did not know anything about such things. Their parents at school had never spoken to him about this, and he also told me that had he known that this is not right, he would not have done it. Now, the guilt part was there, very prevalent in him, and I had a hard time getting him out of his guilt and reassuring him that it was okay, what had been done, and it's a normal growing up. It's a normal growing up activity, but he should not get addicted to these porn sites and fall prey to these sites which malign our minds or the minds of the youth. I have made this video so that I can spread this message around, that parents should be aware of what their children are doing in school. They should keep talking to them age appropriately about the right things and the wrong things, and they should also give them consequences for bad behavior and rewards for their good behaviors, and communication, talk, and a vigilant look and a watch out for the children's activities and behaviors should be there by all parents as the children are growing up. This is an awareness video. So the point which I want to reach out to my friends who see this video is that please do share this video, and please parents should be aware of the facts that such things do happen in school and children do indulge in such activities. They have to be aware that such activities are going on by keeping an open communication with the child and by telling him the right and wrong. Signing off, this is Dr. Sona, a neuropsychologist, and I speak on issues of psychological and social relevance to the society. Thank you.